Let's make the simple Ghana bofrot. Hello, I'm so happy to bring you today's recipe. My name is Lena. Welcome back to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Please, I'll be very happy if you stay true with me so that you will get whatever thing we are going to do today. Okay, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free and you are going to love our videos here. Without wasting much of your time, let's start. So we are making 100 pieces, okay, of bofrot. Now I have with me here my 4 cups of milk. You can use water, okay? I'll be writing the ingredients on the screen as well. I will be very happy if you take notes. Yes, so take notes and then watch this video with sound. Now I've added 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using white sugar. You can go ahead and use the brown, vegan sugar, anyhow, anyone that you want, or any type of sugar you want. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 cups of milk. You can use water instead. I've added 2 tablespoons of active yeast, so we need to see if our yeast is active. Now we are going to keep this in a warm place for some time, and now our yeast is active. That is why you can see bubbles on top. Okay, you make sure the milk or the liquid you will be using should be warm, not chilled. So now this is what we have. I am just going to add 1 cup of sugar. So with the 1 cup of sugar, that is what we took the 2 tablespoons from to start to use for the activation of the yeast. I hope you understand it. Okay, now I've added half cup of milk powder. You can omit that. You can decide not to add it. I added a tablespoon of nutmeg, and now I've added 8 cups of all-purpose flour. 8 cups of all-purpose flour. I will add a pinch of pink salt. Use any type of salt you want. Now I am repeating the ingredients again. We started with 4 cups of milk, which you can use water instead. We added 2 tablespoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We mixed it, kept it in a warm place till you see bubble on top. That means your yeast is active. After that, we added 1 cup of sugar, which you can use any type of sugar, okay? After that, we added half cup of milk powder, which you can use any type. After that, we added our 8 cups of flour. Mix it very well. Do not forget a tablespoon of nutmeg. And now we have formed the dough. Now this is where the work starts. The one we did earlier is nothing, okay? If you want to use your food processor to knead your dough, you can go ahead and do so. I personally do not like it, okay? I have about 4 food processors, okay? I have 4, but I don't use them. Yes, I prefer using my hand, and I am used to that, okay? The first time I used the food processor, I got it wrong. It does not mean that you also get it wrong, but I couldn't determine whether it was good enough or it wasn't. So I just want to use my hand so I could feel it. Now I added some butter to it, and before kneading it, you can use margarine instead, okay? So use the any quantity of your choice, but I used about a stick of butter for the dough. Now we kept it in a warm place so that it can increase in size. Okay, it took about less than an hour, and as you can see, it has doubled in size. That is because I stay in a warm place. My place is very hot all the time. So that is why it's increased in size on time. Okay, yes. Now someone may ask, this small thing, you got 100 pieces? No, I mixed another set aside because I told you earlier that I am kneading it with my hand, so I had to do it bit by bit. I can't knead all the 16 cups at the same time, so I did it bit by bit. I need 8 cups, I need another 8 cups, and then I did another 4 cups. Okay, yes. So that was the measurement I used, or the quantity of flour I used. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20. So 20 cups of flour. That is what I used. Okay, you can as well do all at once and then you are good to go. So the flour was 20 cups, and then the sugar will be 2.5 cups. I hope you understand me. And then the milk powder will be 1.5 cups. I hope you get it now. Yes. Then the yeast will be 5 tablespoons. That is what I did. But if you want to bring everything together, that is the measurement I have given you. It will be on the screen. So now we are just going to mold it according to the sizes we want. Okay, we want it a bit bigger, and then we are good to go. I'll take this opportunity to thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so grateful for clicking on the video. Please do what to share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section and let me know any question that you have for me, but not something I have addressed already in the video. Please watch the video fully so that you will understand everything. I place the donuts in a warm place for about 30 minutes and they have increased in size. That was after I molded it. Okay, after molding it, I placed it in a warm place for some time and they have increased in size, and now I'm frying it. You make sure the oil is not too hot, so the fire should be on a medium heat. Just look at that, absolutely gorgeous. And then have time for it, especially when you are doing this for business sake. You just don't have to rush it so that the inside will not cook well and then people will have problem with you. Just take your time, allow it to cook very well inside and then outside, and then you are good to go. You can do this without the milk powder, as I said earlier, and if you want to add egg, you can go ahead and do so. But there are some people, they don't like egg, they are allergic to it, so I prepare it according to how the person wants it. Okay, yes, and this is what I brought to you today. Now, as you can see, we have taken our time to fry this very well, no rushing, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And trust me, this was very delicious. Now, as I'm talking to you, I'm frying another part, another one on the other side of the stove, okay, in another frying pan so that I can finish. I am showing this part to you because I just don't want to distract you. Yes. Now we are waiting for some few minutes and then we can get everything out from the oil. You can see that the oil is still not very hot, so when you want to fry the second batch, it is not going to burn. Okay, I've taken my time to do it very well so that the person will fall in love with it. So take your time and then do it when you are doing yours. At this moment, make sure your colander or your paper towel is ready, so you can allow the donut to rest on it so that they can bring out some of the oil, or some of the oil can be extracted from the donut. Not all, but it is very, very necessary. Now you remove everything and then allow it to be on the paper towel, and then we are good to go. I have paper towel in a colander at the same time, and trust me, the review for this bofrot, oh my goodness, was absolutely good, because it tasted good, it was perfect, and trust me, he fell in love with it. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I'm grateful. Just look at that. Very soft and fluffy inside, crunchy outside. I will see you in the next one. Bye.